The All Recipes member who submitted this Ukrainian salat vinaigrette, a beet salad, writes that the recipe is great with meat and poultry dishes, especially chicken Kiev, and a side of mashed potatoes. The preparation takes some time, but I really like the salad. It is one of the few salads popular in Ukraine that doesn't contain mayonnaise. Enjoy! Let's begin by putting a pound of beets into a large pot and adding enough cold water to cover them. Bring the water to a boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to medium-low, cover, and simmer the beets for about 20 minutes. Add a pound of carrots to the beets. And a pound of potatoes. Cook the vegetables for another 10 minutes, then cover the pot, remove it from the heat, and let it stand at room temperature overnight. The next day, peel the vegetables. Use gloves to peel the beets because they'll stain your skin. Cut all the vegetables into small, even pieces. Transfer the vegetables to a large bowl. Next, dice 2 dill pickles. Peel and mince a medium onion. Chop a small handful of fresh parsley leaves if desired for garnish. You'll need a tablespoon. Add the pickles to the vegetables and the onion. Along with 8 ounces of drained canned peas. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. Stir the ingredients to mix well. Garnish with the chopped parsley and serve at room temperature. Some All Recipes members recommend adding sauerkraut and garnishing the salad with fresh dill instead of parsley.